Dive into the fascinating world of sea snakes. Join us for a quick journey as we unravel fun facts about these extraordinary ocean creatures. Let's explore together. Water babies, sea snakes are specially adapted to live in the ocean. Unlike most snakes, they spend their entire lives in water and are excellent swimmers. Colorful characters, sea snakes come in a variety of colors. Their colors help them blend into their underwater surroundings. Venomous but friendly, sea snakes are very venomous, but they are not usually aggressive toward humans. They prefer to swim away rather than fight, so it's essential to give them their space. Breath-holding experts, sea snakes have a special nose that can close up when they dive underwater. This helps them hold their breath while hunting for food beneath the waves. Salt busters, these clever reptiles have salt glands near their eyes, which help them get rid of excess salt from the seawater they swallow while hunting. Underwater explorers, sea snakes love hanging out in coral reefs and mangrove swamps. These are like their underwater playgrounds, full of nooks and crannies to explore. Moms on the move, unlike many snakes, sea snakes don't lay eggs. Instead, they give birth to alive baby snakes. Imagine being born in the water and knowing how to swim right away. Nighttime adventures, while they usually like the daytime, some species prefer to hunt for food at night. They have special eyes that help them see in low light. Fish for dinner, sea snakes are fantastic fish hunters. Sea snakes face some challenges, like pollution and changes in their homes, so help to protect them. Thank you for watching.